the following areas in New Jersey, Sussex, and Warren. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? In New Jersey, Sussex, and Warren. In Pennsylvania, Berks, Lehigh, and Northampton. When? From 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.